Well, everyone, we got a new addition to the Pro Cycle Repair. This one's going to be part of the family. It's a 2016 Honda Shadow Phantom. All blacked out. I picked it up from someone who had wrecked it. It's only got 1,500 miles on it. But unfortunately, they ran into a ditch. So I think from looking at it, we got this fork is bent. Hit the rim pretty hard on rocks. Broke the front fender. I don't think they broke this light. I think it's just pushed over a little bit. Mangled up the headlight. Handlebars are bent. Handlebars hit and dented the tank right there. Scratched it right there. Amazingly enough, the levers are all intact, which is crazy to me. Oh, and they peppercorned the exhaust pretty good. Most of it, the scratches will come out, but obviously not the dents. Other than that, this thing is clean and it sounds great. I was not expecting a stock exhaust to sound so good. But yeah, I look forward to showing you guys the repair process. Today I'm just gonna put it on blocks and start taking apart of the whole front end. I already got a new rim coming. I gotta see how damaged the fork is, and if so, I'll probably either bend it or order a top half, the cylinder part. Getting how headlight assembly all off, get the new one on, get a new fender ordered, get new handlebars ordered, start readjusting all the front end again, see if the axle's bent. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the new family member. Look forward to making the videos on it. See you guys next time. Bye.
I just want to show you guys really quick on the Honda Shadow 2016 Phantom. So what the problem was, so I took it all apart, took the triple clamps apart. So it turns out the front fork tubes were bent, the triple clamps were bent both top and bottom. So I took the plastics off, made sure the frame, there was no broken chipping of the paint, so that means the frame's good. But our triple clamps were bent. So I had my buddy bend them back, actually, and they look great. You guys probably won't be able to see on the camera, but these were twisted. This one was higher, this one was lower, but they're pretty flat now, which I think will be fine. So now I'm just installing it. So what I did is I put the bearing on the bottom back on. I you have to put this top piece on. And what I'm gonna do is, how to mount triple clamps is, I'm gonna take my stamp and I'm gonna make it pretty snug, but the tighter you go, the less of a free spinning this will be. And what we'll want to do is, you want to back it off to where it still free spins like this, but you don't have any slack. So you're going to lift up and down, you're going to move it back and forth like this, and just make sure you have absolutely no slack. But you want to get it pretty tight. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to use a stamp to hit this a little tighter, and then it has two locking nuts. This plate goes in between it, this lock goes over it, and you make that tight, and then you put those locks on it. So just want to give you guys a quick little update on what I'm doing.